Good morning and welcome to the morning analysis video on Wednesday the 9th of June. Overnight some interesting plays have come in. My little punt of the afternoon, as we called it, we didn't trade it, it was just something we said to look out for overnight, was Wall Street climbing off the lows at 9,760 to re-hit the 4-hourly 20, and as you can see we got that in last night. And again this morning she does look a little bit punchy. She looks like she might support off this hourly 20 and daily pivot and make one more attempt to hit that 4-hourly 20. Now my view is still negative, i.e. we are still looking at southbound plays, but I do consider last night to have been a little bit of momentum in the right direction to start building back for a break through this 4-hourly 20 to retest weekly pivot and possibly even the 4-hourly 50. But as things stand at this moment in time, we are still in a downward trend. You can only play very, very tight plays, so possibly even long here. Stop just below daily pivot to retest the 4-hourly 20. But as things stand, that's not something I'm looking at this morning. I'm going to go across to our majors. So we'll start with pound dollar. First thing we can see, daily pivot is now above the hourly 20, i.e. morning setup. That would indicate further weakness coming into sterling today, and potentially looking at a move to break through 143.90 in the next couple of hours. Definitely have to stick with the trend at this moment in time. There is no clear entry point at this moment in time. Sadly, it looks like it's just passed, and that would have been the break back down through the 15-minute 20 and hourly 20 just a couple of minutes ago. Again, I think worth looking for the continuation plays on this. Sterling is weak, and we can see that we're going to see a fall off from this level. Euro dollar, again, nice to see she's now below her daily pivot. You can see the daily pivot jumped yesterday. Daily pivot now above the hourly 20. And again, we can look for further pressure to the downside on a break of 119.28. If we get a break of that, then we're looking at a possible retest the lows at 118.85, I think it was. Looks to be coming in. Again, trend remains down, so we have to remain with that. Aussie dollar is interesting because she's sitting just on the top of this consolidation zone from yesterday. We are still below our 4-hourly 20, still below our weekly pivot, still below our daily pivot, and it looks to be that we are about to get our baby silver cross with the daily pivot in the correct positioning to be going short. Obviously, I think your risk really would be somewhere above this 4-hourly 20. Dan will keep you up to date. He's about to post a couple of setups, I think, as he's ready to trade himself. This is one that I'm watching myself as well. Moving across to my pairs, dollar CAD is nearly in the position where we'd be interested in trading long again. If we drop it down to the hourly chart, you can see we've had the major silver cross down. All I'd be looking for now is this major silver cross to come back into the upside, and then we can start looking to buy. We've tested our monthly pivot, tested our daily 20. Now we just need to see this breaking back up through this 4-hourly 20 with the major silver cross, first pullback and buy. And I will be looking to get long, build some positions and see how far I can go with this. Across to gold. Gold has created a little bit of a setup for a short play, but again, as we know, we'd only be interested in plays off the 4-hourly 20, so coming back towards 12.32 would be the sort of level I would be looking for short plays again. Long plays again. At this moment in time, not tradable for me. Short-term traders, you may have the opportunity of a few percent down to 12.32 region. I'll keep you up to date with gold, but as of yet, nothing there for me. Dollar Swiss, well, she messed us about yesterday. If we get a major silver cross back to the upside, I'll be trading long again. Simple as that. Otherwise, I'm not trading short at this moment in time. So that's really all for me this morning. It's a fairly clear morning. Euro dollar, cable, Aussie dollar look good. Just need to wait for the setups and then we'll be able to get into some positions. Dollar CAD looks good with the major silver cross. We'll look to get into that. Okay, so I will speak to you a bit later on, but for this morning, that's all I have. Speak to you later. Bye bye.